Hi everyone, it's Joan Lunden again. Now that you have started the MediaWise for Seniors course called Separating Fact from Fiction Online, let's dive right in. Now, as you might know, seniors are more civic-minded. We are the most likely to vote among all demographics. And of course, we have, more free time on our hands, but usually less experience with the ever-changing world of technology. And that can make us a target for misinformation. But before we get into all of that, let's just tackle that question. What is misinformation and what makes it so much more likely to be shared? You may not realize it, but we come across misleading or inaccurate information every day. This misinformation may show up as, a misinformed story, satire that gets taken out of context, or even disinformation, and that is deliberately spread falsehoods. Now, misinformation often pulls at our heartstrings, our beliefs, or builds upon our assumptions, and because of that, many people don't realize when they've been misled. It's important to know that there are people out there creating misinformation to make money through clicks and shares, or to influence your opinions or even how you vote. Perhaps it's health misinformation to get you to buy a certain supplement. We, of course, then share this information with the intention to be helpful to others, not realizing that it could actually do more damage than good. Another reason why we tend to share is because something might give us an emotional reaction. A post or an article might make us angry or maybe laugh out loud. Or it might be something that makes us say, aha, I knew I was right all along. Probably at that point, you should take a beat and check it out before sharing. Sharing misinformation doesn't just make us look bad, it can have grave consequences. During the coronavirus pandemic, false information actually became a matter of life and death. And with foreign governments looking to create chaos by spreading misinformation, it can actually affect how our democracy functions. So in this section, we are going to dig deeper into the different types of misinformation and give you some tools for rooting it out before you begin sharing.